Hi there, I'm Irene, and I would love to invite you to a residential workshop in Mallorca, in the island of Mallorca. It's gonna be a heartbeat workshop where we're going to work through our emotions with the support and foundation of the waves level of the physicality of the 5 rhythms practice. And you're super invited. There is already a small group formed, but there is still places if you wanna join us. And we're gonna be working through the ritual of fire, of purification and transformation. And we're going to also say bye to spring and welcome the summer, the new season to come. And so it's going to be a beautiful ritual and gathering and collective sweat and dance. So if you want to join us, I'll let the information here, and you can contact the Aula Balear de Estar, who are the organizers. You're super invited. See you soon.